Good afternoon, everybody. It's September 25th, and I am still riding high off of Star Trek Las Vegas, which was about a month and a half ago. Hopefully by now I have uploaded the live unboxing video that I did from there. If I have not been lazy, I will have uploaded it by now, and you can check my channel for that. This box came in a couple days ago. I usually don't do a guess on what I received, but I thought I might do that now because I just have no idea what to expect, but I might have an idea. Um, it's coming from Ryan T. Husk, and I'm wondering if this is the prize pack, second place prize pack for this year's Virtual TrekCon Lappy Awards, the guesstimate contest, but I came in second place, and I doubt that the prize pack would be as big as a box. By the way, shout out to Lisa Herrera, who came in first place. The second possibility is my buddy Bill Erickson said a couple months ago that, actually back in spring, he said he was going to send something to me, and I think there's some goodies, some food. But he has my address, so I don't know, and I think he was going to send some meat or something. So here's a joke. He has my address, so I'm not sure if he would send it through Ryan. And I don't know, I guess that would be kind of cruel to send some meat to Ryan or through him. So I don't know. Those are my only two guesses. So either it's the Lappy Awards kind of thing, or it's from Bill Erickson. And also the Lappy Award stuff usually comes straight from Virtual TrekCon. So anyways, let's not waste time. Let's see what we got. I think cutting of tape is probably an ASMR's dream right now. All right. Let's see. Nope. Okay. Oh, it is the meats. Okay. All right. Bill Erickson came through. Let's see what he's got here. Oh, wow. Buffalo Thuringer sausage chub. Oh, buffalo and pork sausage. Wow. Old West beef jerky. Most excellent. Most excellent. Let's see what we have here. Original beef jerky. Yeah, this might have been kind of cruel sending it through Ryan. Thanks, Ryan, for being the middleman and sending this to me. And buffalo summer sausage. Awesome. Very, very cool. Thank you so much, Bill. Shout out to Bill, who's my Movember buddy as well. It's September, so yeah, in about a month and a half, we're going to be doing our Movember drive. So keep a lookout for a link for that on my page as well. So thanks so much, Bill. My cup runneth over. And yeah, this is some good stuff. Ooh. Most excellent. Most excellent. Bill is very generous. He sends stuff to other Chat Pat members as well. He's just he's just a great guy. So, all right, that is it for today. Keep a lookout on my channel for more unboxing, and I'll see you around. Thanks so much.